Hey everyone, I'm Pranjal and welcome to my channel and welcome to this Diwavibe series. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 DIY Diwali decorations which are very easy to make. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first one, I have these 2 papers. Like this is chart paper and this, I don't know what it is called, but I think it is called Hamnet paper something. I call it texture paper. So yeah, first what I'm going to do is I will cut the shape I want my wall hanging to be. Also then I'll trace this on the texture paper and cut that paper also. Then I'll take this texture paper and I'm drawing this 3 centimeter line from the edge, and then after that I'll cut this part using a cutter. Also, I cut my cloth. Let's move somewhere else. Okay, so after cutting the diya, I'll just stick it in middle like this, and then I'll take some like embellishment and just decorate this whole thing. And wait. And the wall hanging is ready. Okay, so for the next one, again I've cut this pentagonal shapes of chart paper. I have 10 of these. Now what I'm gonna do is take one and stick this ribbon around the edges like this, and I'll do this to all these pieces. Okay, so after that I'll just take these beads and stick it in middle like this. Okay, so after that I'll take a ribbon and I'll stick all of this on this ribbon so that we can hang it. Yeah. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so for the next one, we'll make lanterns. So I have these 2 texture papers or Hamnet papers, whatever they say. So what I'll do is I'll fold them in half and then cut them. So I'll have 2 rectangular pieces. Okay, so now I have 4 pieces. What I'll do is I'll take one and again fold it in half. And then I'll cut them from this folded part and I'll leave like 1 centimeter gap from above. Okay, so now just open it and we'll stick these 2 ends together like this, so it makes a shape of a lantern. Okay, so now I'll take a chart paper and cut a small vertical piece Then also cut a little stripes, but not all the way through. Just leave 1 centimeter gap again. So I'll take this and I'll stick it on the inside part of the lantern. So that was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then do give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with everyone. Like, I think these were pretty easy DIYs. So if you feel like they were easy and that others can do it too, then do share this video and also comment down below which one was your favorite DIY. And also if you would try any of these, do let me know in the comments. And that's it. You'll see me guys tomorrow. Till then, take care and stay safe.